Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in search engine optimization, we'll discuss about Open Graph Meta Tag. What Open Graph Meta Tag is all about, why Open Graph Meta Tag is essential and crucial for SEO among the latest technologies, and some examples of how you can use Open Graph Meta Tag. Let's get example. Check it. What is Open Graph Meta Tag? Open Graph Meta Tag was introduced by Facebook in 2010. It is considered a very good practice. It offers rich user experience. It allows basically an integration of Facebook and your website. The Facebook and your website can be integrated using Open Graph Meta Tag. Similarly, after Facebook, some other social networking sites including Twitter, LinkedIn have also introduced Open Graph Meta Tags. Let's check the basic example, a basic metadata, what actually consists of a basic Open Graph Meta Tag. It has Open Graph title, it has Open Graph type, the image, the object and the URL. The title of the object is actually, it appears with image type, what is the type of the object that you are talking about, and what is the image that is associated with it, and what is the URL that is assigned to it. These are the different types of Open Graph Meta Tags, and these are the basics of the Open Graph Meta Tags. Now, using the same thing, let's check an example how, if you want to use it on a website, how it needs to be used. Now, I have given an example of Open Graph Meta Tag using our own website. Now, the Open Graph Meta Tag is Open Graph protocol that you need to be used. The title of this page is Tutorials Point, that we are talking about the website. The property of the title of that particular page is SEO, that we have specified here. And the content that is related with SEO is basically a video that belongs to SEO, and the content that exists, the page of the URL is tutorialspoint.com/video SEO, and the image that is associated with this video is called as SEO image. Now, these are the examples, that is how you can actually use the Open Graph Meta Tags for the pages of your website, identifying the type of the page, the content of the page, the URL of the page and the image of the page. This is an example how you can use Open Graph Meta Tags for your website. And let's check this an example. If you want to check it more details and more information about the Open Graph Meta Tag, you can go to this site ogp.me, where you find a wealth of information related to the Open Graph Meta Tags and how you can use them for your own websites. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is Open Graph Meta Tag, basic meta tag, an example of Open Graph Meta Tag, and the resource that is associated with Open Graph Meta Tags. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.